Good morning, children. Children, today we are going to continue with our topic electrovalent bonding, and we'll be doing one more compound which is electrovalent compound, that is calcium oxide. So we are going to see the formation of calcium oxide molecule today, and first we'll see the atomic orbit diagram of that, and then we'll draw the electron dot structure. So let us see the formation of calcium oxide molecule. Calcium oxide, that is CaO. So you people very well know calcium has atomic number 20, electronic configuration is 2882, oxygen atomic number 8, 2,6. Now we are going to show the formation of calcium oxide. For that we will first draw the Ca atom. So we have how many shells? First shell, second shell, third shell, and this is the fourth shell. First shell is having 2 electrons, second is having 8 electrons, third also is having 8 electrons, and fourth is having 2 electrons, which is the outermost shell, Ca2882. Now we will draw oxygen molecule, oxygen atom, O, symbol O here in the nucleus, first shell, and this is the second shell. Here we are using dots to show the electrons. First shell has 2 electrons, second will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 electrons, 2, 6. Now what will happen for the formation of the molecule? There will be transfer of electrons from calcium to oxygen. When calcium loses 2 electrons, which are present in the outermost shell, that is the fourth shell, what happens? Loss of 2 electrons, this fourth shell is completely removed, then third shell becomes the outermost shell, and third shell has its octet complete. So after losing 2 electrons, third shell becomes the last shell and it has 8 electrons. Oxygen, after gaining 2 electrons from calcium, will have its own 6 electrons and 2 from calcium, so it will have also 8 electrons. So after the transfer of electrons, what will happen? Let us see that. This is calcium. It will form Ca2 plus ion. First shell is having 2 electrons, second will have 8, and third will also have 8 electrons. So this is Ca2 plus ion formed after the loss of 2 electrons, and electronic configuration is 288. Oxygen, this is nucleus, O, first shell and second shell. First shell will have 2 electrons and second will have 6, which were present in oxygen already, and 2 from calcium. So this will have a negative charge, 2 minus, and it will become 2, 8. Now these two oppositely charged ions, Ca2 plus and O2 minus, will attract each other with the force of attraction, and this will result in formation of a molecule calcium oxide. So this is the atomic orbit diagram for calcium oxide. Now we will see the another type of structure which I have told you earlier, that is electron dot structure. What happens in electron dot structure? You only show the outermost shell electrons and do not draw all the orbits. So in the electron dot structure, we will be showing only the valence electrons. So what happens? Calcium, it will have 2 electrons in the outermost shell, 2,2882. This is calcium. Oxygen will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 electrons, 2,6. Now what will happen? Transfer of electrons. This will result in what? Ca as 2 plus 288, and oxygen will form with its 6 electrons and 2 from calcium. It will form a negative ion, 2 minus, 2, 8. Now they will attract each other with force of attraction, and this will be resulting in formation of CaO, that is calcium oxide. So this is the formation of calcium oxide molecule.